So last month we heard a rumor regarding NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 30 series graphics card making use of a brand new power interface to facilitate the higher power draw on the flagship gaming graphics cards. Now, this can be confirmed as one major PSU OEM has posted pictures of the NVIDIA 12-pin PCIe Molex power connector adapter. Now posted by Seasonic at the Chinese media portal Bilibili via HXL at 9550 Pro, the picture shows the box containing the NVIDIA 12-pin PCIe Molex MicroFit 3.0 connector. Now the Molex connector is packaged with a cardboard box and contains the 12-pin power connector adapter, which makes use of two 8-pin connectors directly from the PSU. Now the two 8-pin to one 12-pin power connector features a length of 750 millimeters, which should be long enough for most high-end systems. Now Seasonic has posted the power supply rating of 850 watts or beyond for use for the 12-pin connector cable. Now based on the looks of it, it seems like the higher-end NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series graphics cards might only feature a single 12-pin connector, considering it's drawing power from two 8-pin connectors, which should put the maximum power draw at around 300 watts, be about 150 watts per 8-pin connector, and the PCIe interface itself can deliver up to 75 watts of power for the graphics card. However, NVIDIA has been really good in the past about minimally using the PCIe power draw. Now, what we don't know is how Seasonic and other power supply makers aim to supply these adapters. Surely all new PSUs will be bundled with the cable, but users already running existing PSUs might have to purchase the cables separately unless or until they are shipped with the Founders Edition graphics cards. As per the Seasonic official account, the 12-pin connector has been actively used by NVIDIA for internal testing, and it is unlikely that the graphics card makers are going to ship the adapters by their own, as the specifications for the 12-pin adapters are different and have to match the power supply specifications of each manufacturer differently. Hence, they can only be provided by the specific PSU vendor. Hardware Lux and its editor have had more pictures of the 12-pin NVIDIA power adapter to share. Now, the name MicroFit does suit the power connector, considering its smaller size compared to the standard 8-pin power connector. Also, the 12-pin connector has different size and dimensions than the standard 6-pin connectors, so don't expect that you can just plug in two 6-pin connectors into your card and call it a day, rather than using the proper MicroFit connectors. Should be getting more information very soon, as the time of this publishing, we're only a week away from getting some really solid information. For more on this and other news, follow the link in the description and make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell so that we don't miss you in the next one.